Hi, in this video, you'll be learning how to add an admin to a Facebook group. Just before we head straight into the video, if you are new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and also turning on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on any of our latest updates. And if you find this video interesting, if you find it helpful, do well to give us a thumbs up. With this being said, let's hop straight into the video. Now, you want to head straight into your Facebook app. You want to head straight to the group, which you want to add admin. Now, to do this, you have to be an admin yourself in that particular group. And you want to click on groups. And here is the group I want to add an admin. It's one of my groups. Click on the group. And you find this blue looking button, which says manage with a shield. Admin have access to a lot of features, so you want to consider a fact, which is the person you are adding as an admin should be a trustworthy person, someone that understands the nitty-gritty of what your group is about. So there are two ways you can do this. First, you can go through the two shortcuts, and in the two shortcuts you want to click on people, and here you want to invite the person you want to make as admin. Please note that invitation will be sent. The person you want to make the admin needs to accept your invitation. Let's say, for example, click on this person, then it says the option comes. Now there's this option, it says invite as a moderator. Okay, so you want to invite as an admin, not as a moderator. So you click on invite as admin. So it says invite the person's name to group admin, to be a group admin. So you need to send invitation. The invitation has been sent. This is the first option. Now let's go check out the second option. Now the second option, you can use the badge. The second option, just scroll up and you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down and click on community roles. The second option, you can use community role, and as you can see, we have two options. We have admin, we have moderator. So you want to click on admin, and you can see where it says invite. So anybody wants to use that admin, you can just search or just tap on invite if you can find the person already. So basically, this is how to add admin to a group. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up if you find don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you find this video helpful. I look forward to seeing subsequent tutorials. Bye for now.